Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to play a game with Maia. Yes, she got a new pen today. She like writes on the back one new pen today. Yeah, in a French pen name still. Alright, sit down now, Maya. The game that we are going to play, it's called Smack or Facts. So we have the powder. You ready? You ready, Maya?
Oui.
You ready?
Yeah.
You understand the game?
Mm-hmm.
Alright, who first? Me or you? You?
Mm-hmm.
Alright. You're gonna ask me a question. And if me get it right,
C'est quand mon anniversaire?
she asked me when is our birthday. Your birthday is May 19. C'est à moi maintenant. My time. How old am I? J'ai quel âge moi?
36 ans.
Ah, ça va. Your time. Ask me a question.
C'est quand ton anniversaire?
She asked me when is my birthday. I'm gonna put the caption on this one. My birthday is December 14. My time. What is my mother's name?
Lesbienne.
Ma mère. Comment je m'appelle?
Nana.
Comment elle s'appelle ma mère? Comment elle s'appelle ma mère?
Auntie Shelly?
Shelly there. But they say it right the first time. My mother name Miss Lickle. My mother name, what you call her, Nana?
Miss Liku.
Miss who?
Miss Liku.
Lickle. Miss Lickle.
Miss Liku.
Alright, I'm gonna go smack you because you get it right. Anyway, you should smack you if you say Auntie Shelly because Auntie Shelly is my sister. Wait, Maya.
À moi.
Oui, c'est à toi. Allez, à toi.
C'est quand ma naissance?
2015. 2015, May 19. My time. You keep on ask me questions. You can't ask me them questions. You have to ask me say what your friend name at school and school like that and question like that. Anyway, my time. How many dreadlocks may I have on my head?
One.
One? Alright. That's not true.
No!
Third time, let me go back. Third time. Your time. Your time.
How many girls?
No, ask me one difficult question.
Alors,
Wait a minute.
combien de copains j'ai et combien de copines j'ai?
How long? She asked me how much friends, how much boyfriends, and how much girlfriends she has at school. Ooh la 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 la. You have 2 boyfriends and maybe 3 girlfriends.
Tu dis 4?
4? I'm gonna say 5. Alright. She said 4. Alright, my time.
Un petit peu dedans moi.
What is the name of my youngest sister?
Auntie Shelly.
No. Auntie China. Ma petite sœur s'appelle Auntie China. C'est pas Auntie Shelly.
C'est la deuxième fois.
C'est à toi maintenant. Your time.
Comment elle s'appelle ma maîtresse?
Ah! Your teacher name. Your teacher name. Maîtresse Christine.
Oui.
My time. What is my favorite color?
Marron foncé.
It's a dark brown. No. Pink. Your time.
Body.
Your time.
De quelle couleur sont tes yeux?
Black.
T'as triché.
Noir. Ils sont noirs ou pas?
Mais t'as triché.
Alright. Your time, Maya.
How many years?
What is the name? What is my father's name, Maya? Comment s'appelle mon père? Comment s'appelle mon père?
Jean-Louis.
Non, c'est pas Jean-Louis. Non. My father named Calbert, you know, named Jean-Louis. Make your father tell a foolishness. Your time.
Elle est belle. Quelle couleur sont les nuages?
Grey.
T'as regardé. Et même, tu m'en as mis sur les cheveux.
My time. C'est dans
Une deuxième fois.
Ah, mamie. My time. What is my favorite food?
Fais du vifou.
You understand?
Du poulet?
Chicken.
Tape-moi.
Chicken?
Tape-moi. Tape-moi.
Alright, no, on a chicken, aki and salvage. Sit down. Sit down. No, sit down. Come right here, sir. Come right here, sir. Your time. No, your time. Sit down, your time.
Qu'est-ce que c'est? Comment il s'appelle mes nounours?
In the
Un, deux. Ferme tes yeux.
Mais non, my dear, baby. All right, let me ask you one next question. My time, Maya. What is the name? Meme, assieds-toi. Comment il s'appelle mon frère? What is my brother's name?
Kyle.
No! Kyle, I'm a nephew. Kyle, I'm a brother.
Comment il s'appelle mes nounours?
Mais je sais pas, Maya. Mais non.
Comment il s'appelle ma licorne?
Licorne.
Licorne.
Lily.
Licorne.
Mais non. What? Me not here. Say it out loud, I'm not here.
Licorne. T'as perdu.
Allez.
Ok. Mimi, quand elle bye bye.
Bye bye.
Assieds-toi. Bye. That's the end of me and my video. Hope you guys remember to like, share,
Bye.
and comment.
Thank you.
And give this video a thumbs up.
On s'est bien salut.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Bye. Thanks for watching.
Au revoir.